Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today there is a tiny bullish candlestick appeared on the daily time frame after 1, 2, and 3 days. But there is also a bad news that can ruin the situation. But before starting this analysis, by the way, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and we can see that we are holding the support above $42,000 and the 50 daily simple moving average. Now let's take a look at the bad news. Crypto lender BlockFi to pay $100 million in settlement with SEC. BlockFi Incorporated is poised to pay $100 million to settle allegations from the Securities and Exchange Commission and state regulators that it illegally offered a product that pays customers high interest rates. Now, if this news is going to affect the price line, then we can lose the support of $42,000. Right now, we can see that the daily candlestick is bullish. There is no effect on the price line, but if there will be effect on the price line, then we can expect that we can test the previous support, the previous resistance that was that can now work as a support, that is at $39,600, and from there we can expect a reversal move. However, so far there are no signs on the chart that we are going to lose this support, because we are having a very nice support of 50 simple moving average on the daily time frame and the $42,000 support level as well. And if we take a look at the previous history, then here back in December 2021, it has been working as a very nice support, and even here back in January 2022, it has been working as a nice support. And if we move back in July 2021, after this rally, we were rejecting, and at that time it was working as a very $42,000 was working as a very strong resistance. And now we have the next resistance at $44,000, and you can see that we have rejection here. Previously we were rejected by $44,000 here on 14th of January, and before that we were rejected here on 24th of September. And here it has been working as a very nice support, and here it has been working as a very nice support. So the previous history shows that here, by the way, it has been working as a very nice support in Feb 2021. So the previous history shows that $44,000 can work again as a very strong resistance, and it is indeed working as a strong resistance this time as well. And now I am expecting within next few hours or within next 1 or 2 or 3 days, we can expect another move towards the upside to make another attempt to break out this $44,000 resistance level. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.